This is Sonia Zarin, and today's video is gonna be a bit different. In today's video, I will be talking about few tips and tricks that I followed for backpacking, as I'm going somewhere for an adventurous trip, and this is basically a trekking trip. So I had to follow few tips and tricks so that my backpack doesn't get heavier. If you're going for an adventurous trip like trekking or hiking, so you have to carry your own bag and you have to walk a lot. So if you take too much stuff with you, so your backpack will end up getting heavier, and your whole trip is going to be very difficult. This video is not suitable for those who are planning to visit Annapurna base trek or Everest mountain trek or any kind of mountain trek. But if you're planning to visit within Bangladesh, this video can be suitable for you. And watch till the end so that you get to know all the tips and tricks I followed for my backpacking. And without further ado, let's get started. So you have to choose the right bag which is not heavy, and it can take a lot of stuff but it doesn't get heavier. So you can easily find it from any of the local market, and also make sure to buy a bag that has shoulder strap as well as waist strap, so it will give you a good grip. So you need to have a good trekking shoe or trekking sandal, and you can easily get it from Apex or Bata, or you can buy it from local market. If you're visiting to Bandarbhan, you can easily get it from there, and it will cost you around 100 to 150 taka. If you buy it from Apex or Bata, it will cost you around 1500 to 2000 taka, and so on. You have to take trekking shoe, not your regular running shoe, because running shoes cannot give you that grip that trekking shoes can give. So trekking shoe is a must. When you're backpacking, you make sure to take all the lightweighted clothes that doesn't make your bag heavier. Suppose if you're taking jeans, it will make your bag heavy and it will take too much space also. And also another thing I follow is I tend to roll down my clothes instead of folding it, so it takes less space in the bag, and also everything keeps organized. So when you're going for this kind of trip, you have to walk a lot, and your body gets dehydrated easily, and when you're walking for 6 to 7 hours, you're gonna end up having too much body pain. So make sure to take painkiller and also take saline glucose with you, and you have to continuously drink water so that your body doesn't get dehydrated. Also you can carry some dry foods like nuts or dates or peanuts, so this will give you instant energy. If you're taking your electronic devices, make sure to take all your electronic devices in another waterproof bag so that it doesn't get wet or it doesn't get entangled with all other stuff. So make sure to take all the travel size essentials like travel size perfume, travel size moisturizer, travel size sunscreen. You can easily get this travel kits from any of the local market, or you can get it from Miniso as well. These are very convenient. Make sure to take extra tissue paper, polybag. To carry your damp clothes, you have to take extra polybag. Most important is to take precaution for any of the situation. If you're going to hilly areas or if you're going to any kind of waterfall, have to get attacked by leech. অর্থাৎ জোকের কামড় খেতেই হবে. Only way to get rid of leech is salt and lighter. So জোকের কামড়ে কিছুই হয় না, ব্যথাও লাগে না, কিন্তু যেটা হয় যে অনবরত bleeding হয়. It doesn't matter. If you take precaution, you can easily get rid of it. You have to take battery pack with you, because battery pack is going to be your life savior if you're planning to visit any of the remote places like Bandarbhan or Shazek. So make sure to take microfiber towel or gamcha with you, so it will be pretty convenient for you. Last but not the least, most important is you have to take your sunscreen and your mosquito repellent. With that, I finished my video about tips and tricks about backpacking. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and comment down below if there is any suggestion or if you want to see more such videos. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye.